Welcome to the GE ACES Anesthesia Machine Orientation video. This video contains an orientation to the GE ACES Anesthesia Workstation and Anesthesia Cart in the University Hospital adult operating rooms. Once oriented to the Anesthesia Workstation, please view the Anesthesia Machine Check video for complete fundamental knowledge of the daily workstation preparation. We will begin with the components visible on the front of the Anesthesia Workstation. These include the patient monitor, ventilator display, gas module, vaporizer cassette storage, alternate oxygen control, machine on and off switch, integrated suction control, active vaporizer, auxiliary oxygen, below assembly, bag to vent switch, APL or pop-off valve, and oxygen flush. Now let's talk about some of the components in more detail. The gas module continuously samples gas mixtures from the circuit for analysis. During machine setup, make sure the defend water trap is empty and properly seated with the sampling line tightly connected. The analyzed gas is scavenged from the gas exhaust outlet below. The alternate oxygen control provides oxygen in the case of power or electronic failure with loss of the electronic display. To activate, press the on-off button and adjust the flow with the dial. The integrated machine suction adjusts the vacuum used to suction fluids from the patient. The switch can be set to off for no vacuum, max for full vacuum, or on for adjustable vacuum. Notice that the scale for suction pressure begins at 0 on the lower right and increases as the indicator moves counterclockwise. When in adjustable mode, turning the dial to the left decreases suction pressure, while turning it to the right causes an increase in suction. Only the vaporizer cassette in the active bay can be used to deliver an anesthetic agent. To remove the active vaporizer, turn the lock switch vertically, grasp the cassette by the handle, and pull on the release lever while gently sliding the cassette out of the active bay. To replace, slide the cassette into the bay, clicking it into place before turning the lock switch horizontally to secure. To fill the cassette, place it on a flat horizontal surface. Attach the Easy Fill adapter to the bottle of agent. Note that the bottle adapter is color-coded with size-specific slots that align with the color of the agent's bottle. Remove the filling port from the cassette. Invert the bottle, aligning the adapter grooves with the cassette filling port, and push the bottle down to fill. You will see bubbles entering the bottle. Watch the liquid level indicator and pull the bottle out of the port once the level has reached the line adjacent to the solid triangle full line. If you are in an active case, remember to turn the agent back on as it is automatically paused when the cassette is removed. Remove the Easy Fill adapter from the bottle and re-secure the cap. The APL valve, or the adjustable pressure limiting valve, limits the amount of pressure buildup that can occur during manual ventilation. Gas below the set pressure is kept within the breathing circuit, and gas above the set pressure is released into the scavenging system. The pressure in the circuit increases as the valve is turned clockwise, with a tactile change in resistance and audible difference as the valve passes 30 centimeters of water. The bag vent switch is used to alternate between a manual bag mask ventilation or spontaneous breathing mode and automated mechanical ventilation. When in manual bag mode, the pressure in the circuit is controlled by the APL valve setting. The oxygen flush button sends 100% oxygen at 35 liters per minute directly to the inspiratory limb of the anesthesia circuit, bypassing the vaporizer. When in a mechanical ventilation mode, the ventilator compensates for an active oxygen flush within 20% of the settings.